Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you through the 8 types of casual shoes we have. Firstly, we have the desert boot. We also have what we call Chelsea boot, Chuka boot also. We also have Oxford. We have Brooks. We have Derby. We have Monkstrap. And lastly, we have loafers. This loafers is divided into various ways depending on the style and design you want. These are the common design. We have horse-beat loafers, we have flap or fringe loafers, we have the tassel loafers, we also have the penny loafers, and we also have the strap loafers. And also we have half shoe. This is not part of the casual shoes, but this one is for Owambe, Moose or half shoe. We also have Crocs. We have slide, popularly known as palm slippers, and Birkenstock. Thank you for watching today's video. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.